Hey guys, this is Zaman from PowerPoint School and this is the promo video of our latest PowerPoint presentation slide template. If you watch our video regular, then you should know that in our last tutorial video we have showed how you can make this exact PowerPoint template. We have got a very good response for that video and I'm so happy for that. Actually, with this template you are getting 7 different PowerPoint slides. Here we have used a very good and attractive color combination, and also after adding the animated content with morph transition, it seems like everything is going on a single slide, which is awesome to surprise your audience. So I'm making this short video to let you know that you can download this template for free of any cost, and it is also available on our website, that is powerpointschool.com. Here, if you click on this article, you'll get to see the template file. Here everything is organized. If you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see the tutorial video. You can watch it directly from here. If you scroll down more, you'll get the download button. Just click here to download the template file. And here we have added a written documentation. And also we have provided the RGB value so that it can help you to get the exact color that we are using. After downloading the template, you'll get 2 different PowerPoint files. One is for the original template where we have added 7 different slides, and another is for the animated content. If you don't know how to make these, you can check our previous tutorials. There we have already explained everything. Now let me share something. If you go to any marketplace to buy a PowerPoint template, you have to pay around $20, but we are providing our best works for free of any cost. So we need your kind support. Make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. You can also press the bell icon which is beside the subscribe button to get time to time notification from this channel. Hope to see you in the next video with a PowerPoint tutorial, and thanks for watching.